In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a scatter graph in Microsoft Excel. A scatter graph is a great way to show the relationship between two sets of numbers, especially when you want to compare values on an X and Y axis. In Excel, creating one is quick once your data is set up properly. To begin, select the data you want to use for the chart. Click and drag to highlight the entire table, including the headers. In this example, the selected range is A1 through B7. Including the headers is helpful because Excel can use them to label the chart automatically, which makes the graph easier to understand right away. Once your data is selected, go to the Insert tab at the top of Excel. This is where you'll find all the tools for adding visual elements like charts, tables, and other objects to your worksheet. Since scatter graphs are used to compare numeric values, this is the correct place to start building the chart. Next, look for the Charts group in the ribbon. Click the option labeled Insert Scatter, also called X, Y, or Bubble Chart. From the drop-down menu, choose Scatter. This chart type places your data points on horizontal and vertical axes so you can clearly see patterns, clusters, or trends in the data. If your table is arranged correctly, Excel will recognize the first column as the X values and the second column as the Y values. As soon as you select Scatter, Excel will automatically generate the graph for you. The chart will appear in your worksheet using the data you highlighted earlier. At this stage, the graph is already functional, so you can begin reading the data immediately. If anything looks off, it usually means the selected data range should be checked first. After the chart appears, you can add a more meaningful title. Click the default chart title directly on the graph, then type your new title. A clear title helps explain what the graph represents, especially if you're sharing the worksheet with someone else or using it in a report or presentation. If you want, you can also format the scatter graph to improve its appearance. Click a data point if you'd like to change its color, size, or shape. You can also use the Chart Design tab to apply a different chart style. And if the chart feels too small or too large on the sheet, simply resize it by dragging the corners. And that's how to make a scatter graph in Microsoft Excel. Once you've done it once, the process becomes very fast and easy to repeat.